I know in my heart.
Good. Yeah.
Achọrọ iri ihu mamiri, which means I want to urinate.
Achọrọ ihu mamiri.
Achọrọ ihu mamiri.
Achọrọ
ihu mamiri. Achọrọ ihu mmiri. That means I want to drink water. Achọrọ isi akwa.
You did not get anyone. Oh, shit.
To find girl.
Who is in the garden?
Ellie to find girl.
Can I come and see her?
No.
Can I come and see her?
No.
Oh, yeah, no, need more bubble.
Why,
Oh, yeah, no, need more bubble.
Why,
Where the kifuya?
bam.
Where the kifuya?
Bam.
Neka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella. Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini na.
This place.
Yes, the portion of the students.
Okay. How to provide? How to
Please, once you finish. So direct it, come on, ma. Eh?
Not yet.
We'll post it so that they can get it correctly.
Okay, so you tell them how to. Alright, you guys are doing well.
Come on, practice very well. Let me see. Yeah, which one is because the way you say this, don't look at this. Which one did you like? Where are those ones you know? The 20 I say should make. That one will be surprised. Where is your note? Where is the one with those? Out of those 20 years,
I don't remember, right? Are we good? Are we ready? Huh? Just glance straight so that fast. I can give you time to read with your book, just one trial or two trials, then we move.
Down,
10, 9, 8, 7,
Uncle, is there counting time for them?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. So what we call you, listen up. What are you asking to do? Let me know. Let me see. Just talk to your page. This is what you want to do. Okay. Okay, just any 10 here, or any 5, or which one? Talk to me. Good. Eh? It's okay, there's no problem. Let's go. So when you are called upon, okay, you come here. Number one thing I need you to know is that Igbo people are proud people. Okay? We are not shy. That's one. We are proud people. So anywhere we are, we'll come out very bold. Do you get what I'm saying? Or anywhere we are, we'll come out very, very what? Very, very what? We'll come out very, very bold. We don't look at people's face.
yes.
Do you understand? So when you are called upon, don't come out here sluggishly. You walk like you know what you are doing. Like you get what I'm saying. Okay? When entertaining is very simple. So when you come, you say, Ndewo, Afango, Okezie, Okafo. Okay? Aberon, Iguputara unu, ife mmụta na Igbo summer camp. Nke mbụ bụ ime ahịrịokwu. Okay?
I was telling them that they should do this, this one is correct. People are here, teacher, you cancel one. Are you getting me? So it's very
this
What actually?
Achọrọ m ịga n'akụkụ, achọrọ m ịga n'etiti, achọrọ m ịga n'ezi, achọrọ m ịga n'ime. This is as simple. Emma, ụjọ. You should come to my online school. Ụjọ.
We can do it, right? We can do
We
it,
have to
right?
capture, because parents need to see their kids.
We can do it, right? Say yes, like, we can do it. Can we do it? We can do it. It's just a matter of using Achoron. Achoron Ega Olakupon. I want to go to my school. Achoron Ega Oloka. I want to take our number. Are we good? Are we good? Number one, run trials. After trials, 2 trials for 4 of us. After the trials, we'll now start our assessments. Are we good? All right. Let's have number 1 presenter. Use your book. For the 2 trials, you use your book. As at the time for the original presentation, you will not use your book.
Okay, so this is where you stand.
Good.